what? What you want? You about to jump up here? Okay, you didn't. Beanie! Beanie! Hi, Beanie! You jumped up here before. You gonna do it again? Oh no. Oh my god! I knew it was coming, you weirdo. I knew it. Oh, I still wasn't ready for it. You gotta get down. You gotta get down. I changed my shirt. But now I gotta change it again. I'm glad you're feeling better, Beans. Now get off me. Come on.